Hey, tell me about what you're eating right there, man. What is that?
Greenbriers. Get the young tender shoots off of it. A real limber, tender. They got a really good taste to them. Whenever you're out in the woods and just one little snack.
And that's one of many, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, but this time of year, Greenbriers is my favorite. They're high in vitamin C. They're just good to eat. Just get the real tender ones.
All right, well, there's a tip from Tips and Tricks with the South Mountain Man. We'll see you guys soon in the woods.